Did you know that booking, verifying, and getting an ETA for your cat's microtransit trips can be easily accessed through our app? Through this video, if you need to quickly go back and review a step, you can do so by double tapping the left side of your screen on your phone or by pressing the J key on your keyboard if you're on a computer. If you don't have our app yet, start by downloading it through the App Store on an iPhone or the Play Store for Android. Search for Cherokee Area Transit Service. Install. If you have already received a login name for the Cherokee Area Transit Service, CATS, enter your login name and password. Click Next to log in. If you have forgotten your login info, tap the blue text that says Login Name or Password Issues. Once you have entered in your login info, click Login. If you need to register, tap the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your first and last name as well as your phone number, then tap Next. Book a trip. Select Booking. Click on Book a Trip. Here you will see your itinerary. Select Pickup. Start typing in your location. When your location comes up, select it. Click Next. Note: during this step, you will get a message asking if you want the app to access your location. You will need to approve it to use the app appropriately. Now, start entering your drop-off location. Once the location comes up, select it. Click Next. Please note that the trip has to be scheduled out at least 30 minutes from the scheduling time. The system will automatically schedule your pickup with a 30-minute window, so please plan accordingly. Also, the date will default with the current date. If you need to schedule in advance, be sure to change the date to reflect the desired ride date. When booking a trip, select Arrive By when you have to be at your destination before a certain time and your pickup time is flexible. Select Leave At when you will be ready to leave after a specific time and are flexible on the arrival time to your destination. Review your itinerary. Once you have verified everything is correct, select Book Trip. If you have notes for the driver or any mobility aid needs, select Specifics. For mobility aid needs, you can add that by selecting Mobility Aid. Click on the appropriate box and click Apply Changes. To add notes that you would like to add for the driver, you can do it here. Select the appropriate note location, enter your note. Once done, click Add. Click Update Changes. Once you have confirmed your trip information, click Book Trip. You'll get a confirmation of your booked trip. You'll be asked if you want to book a return trip at this time. Here you can book your return trip, or if you're not sure when you will return, you can book it later when you are ready. To check on the status of your trip, you can click on Trips, then Upcoming. Click on Map View to see the map and see the exact location of your ride. If you need to cancel your trip, scroll down to the bottom and click on Cancel Trip. Then you will need to click on Confirm Cancel to cancel. Here the estimated pickup time will show once it is available. Tip: if you don't see it, pull down on the screen to refresh it. Now you can see it is available. You can click on the map view to see the location of your ride. You can zoom in on the map to see more as well as move it around. You will receive a notification when your ride shows up to your location. Once on board, your status will change to show you are on and what your estimated drop-off time is, as well as if you'll have any stops prior to yours. Please note, exact fare is required. You can pay on the bus with cash or check. With the CATS app downloaded on your phone, transportation can be a breeze.